13-year experience staying in Singapore. I never visited KK hospital, and this is first time I'm visiting, and let you know what is the emergency I got, why I went there, how much time it took, what is the expense I got, whether you should go for insurance or not. So everything I'm gonna tell in this video. My husband already went there with my kids, and I came later because I have to finish few tasks at home. So I have finished everything, then I'm on the way already to the KK hospital. Let you know what emergency I got. I hope everything will be okay. Guys, I'm coming first time to KK hospital. I don't know the way, so I'm following the Google map. Let's see how much time it takes, showing 8 to 10 minutes around. This is a KK hospital. I need to it's really far. Better take taxi if it is really critical emergency. Luckily my husband already there, so I'm not bit rushing. My husband waited 5 to 6 hours in emergency because there will be already many patient in the queue. So make sure like you have enough time, but in kind of incident or some kind of emergency there won't be enough time. If you have some pre-scheduled thing, you can take appointment and you can go directly there. My baby, she's crying. Actually what happened, both kids were playing and just my little one fall down from the bed, so seems like her hand get fractured. So it was paining. We thought she's just pretending, but it was really pain. Then we came to hospital, KK hospital, for emergency. Guys, you already know Singapore is very expensive, so you need to see all the predictions what can happen in the future, especially with your family members. They may be injured or they may be get any kind of accident, so you have to prepare in advance. So for that definitely you have to get insurance. Most of the company provide insurance for their staff, so make sure you have insurance for your family and for you, so that you can get reimbursed all the amount, because as you already know Singapore is very expensive. I will also let you know for small for this x-ray, for this thing, how much amount I paid and whether my company will be able to reimburse or not. So we tried to divert her mind somewhere, so we bought some snacks for her, and she was literally having, because she's not concentrating on her injury, and she was enjoying her food. After that, like once x-ray done, there will be queue also for taking medicine. This medicine will be free because it will be covered under the emergency amount. So for a medicine there is no separate amount need to pay. Make sure you need to keep all your receipt and all your itemized bills, so that later you can get it reimbursed from your company or from your insurance. The moment you will be entered to the emergency, you need to pay some amount which is around $163, and together with that they will be providing dress. For my kid they took extra, so they have taken her dress whatever she's wearing from home, and then she got new dress at hospital. Then later, after observing like the bone little crack, they did the plaster, and it's around $163. Luckily I got insurance and it was already covered, so I will definitely get reimbursed from my company. And actually she was a bit emotional that time, because the moment we tried to talk about her injury, she was crying, keep crying. So we were not talking, we will try to divert her mind, and we will try to let them play with the elder one, so that she can be very comfortable. Later we decided to take taxi because definitely it will not be nice, and also we are worried her hand will be moved here there.